How to fix Windows 10 ESU enrollment not working. Having trouble enrolling Windows 10 and ESU? Here's how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your Windows 10 version is supported for ESU. Older or unsupported builds won't enroll. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, and install all available Windows updates. Restart your PC after updates finish. This step is important and often skipped. Next, check that your system date and time are correct. Wrong time settings can block ESU activation. Now open Command Prompt as administrator. Run the command to install the ESU activation key provided by Microsoft or your organization. After that, run the activation command to activate the ESU license. Once activated, open Windows Update again and click Check for Updates. If enrollment still fails, make sure required servicing stack updates are installed. For managed or work devices, confirm your organization has assigned the ESU license correctly. If nothing works, run Windows Update Troubleshooter and retry the enrollment. And that's it. These steps fix most Windows 10 ESU enrollment issues. Thanks for watching.